And now it's time for today's daily forecast with EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martridge.
Good Thursday morning to you. It is September 20th, 2018, and we have a partly cloudy day expected for most areas, but we will have some more cloud opportunity for more clouds than sun in others, as we have high pressure off in the Gulf of Maine or near the Gulf of Maine, right about here. This is going to create a little bit of an onshore flow today, so you have winds funneling in from the east. Starting off northeast, ending up southeast, so generally from the east, and so some areas in the interior, especially right in here, we'll get into some of that cloud cover that might be a little bit stubborn to get rid of. You'll start off with some morning fog in the usual valley locations, and then some of that will hold on into the afternoon. But other than that, we're going to be cooler today, and the humidity is going to be a little bit lower, noticeably lower than what we saw yesterday, although yesterday wasn't too bad. Here is a look at the simulated satellite at noon, and you can see not really too bad. You got some broken clouds out in this area and down here in southern New Jersey and Delaware, but you can see right across the interior, those areas I just highlighted, kind of like right in here, you got some stubborn clouds that are hanging around that should hang on a little bit longer, and then as we get to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you can see some of that breaks up out here in central PA and across New Jersey, Delaware, but you still have mostly cloudy skies across the interior here, so I don't want to go just partly cloudy. We'll see some sun in these areas, but it could be some stubborn clouds today. Just want to put that out there so nobody's yelling at me going, where's the sun? You said there's going to be sun today. Well, it's going to be a little bit stubborn in some places, and if you get the sun to come out, great. And that's just a win for you. But just know that there's that risk today because of that onshore flow developing. But other than that, there's no precipitation expected today. And then once we move forward from this point, we have a warm front well off to the north. Friday should be a partly to mostly cloudy day, starting off partly cloudy, mostly cloudy later in the day, and we have a cold front approaching from the west. This is actually Friday evening. The front, if anything, has slowed down today on the guidance. So here's your cold front, area low pressure driving into up here in southeastern Canada. So we're going to have some warmth out ahead of this, southwesterly winds, and temperatures will get back up to upper 70s to near 80, maybe say upper 70s to low 80s, I'll say here for Friday. Humidity is also going to increase because you're ahead of the cold front here. But it looks like most of the daylight hours are dry. We'll have to watch for far northwestern areas in north central Pennsylvania after 8 p.m. on Friday to have a little bit of some surviving thunderstorms moving through. It's uncertain how long they last here, but it does look like in an 8 p.m. to midnight time frame for those areas only, and then as it moves further east, it just kind of goes kibosh here and just squashes. So maybe just an isolated shower elsewhere in the wee hours of the morning after midnight, and then that cold front moves through. This high pressure that's off in the Great Lakes is going to move in behind it, gives a very nice Saturday behind this cold front once it pushes through. And that's going to lead to mostly sunny skies here on Saturday. Here's a look at Saturday. High pressure moves over to the eastern Great Lakes, and we are at mostly sunny and seasonable with near average temperatures for your Saturday. So a very nice day here on Saturday. Now, we've been talking about this front being to the south here. It's going to stall south of the region, not going to go too far away. It's going to start creeping up to the north. Now, it looked yesterday like it would be late Monday that was going to take place, but this high is not as strong as yesterday. If you saw the video that we did yesterday, this was 1,026 millibars, not 1,023. 3 millibars in this case makes a difference. It makes this a little bit weaker and allows this front to come up a little bit sooner. So we get to Sunday. Here is a look at Sunday morning. Front starts creeping off to the north. The highs start starting to retreat at that point. And maybe for southern areas, far southern areas, nearest the Mason-Dixon line, you could have a few isolated showers during the course of the day here on Sunday. Not an overall showstopper. Further north, you're just going to be mostly cloudy. Partly to cloudy in the morning, going to mostly cloudy further north. Okay, so that's going to have to be watched closely because this is starting to progress northward. But the high is still up here, gets a little bit stronger. You see it's 1,028, so it's going to keep this at bay and just keep it across our southern region. So there's a risk, say, I-76 and south. That's the Pennsylvania Turnpike and south, and also southern New Jersey, Delaware, for isolated to maybe scattered showers here during the day here on Sunday. Elsewhere, we're just partly to mostly cloudy. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now for Sunday. Once we get to Monday, the high retreats. That's off here in New England. This front will start to move off to the north, and we'll have scattered showers moving in, most likely later in the day for areas further north, but it will start off early again down south closest to the Mason-Dixon line, South Jersey, and Delaware. And that's going to progress off to the north as the high continues to retreat, and then we'll have these scattered showers move through along the warm front overnight, Monday night, and during the day on Tuesday. You can see that right here. This is all in advance of the next cold front that's going to come through on Wednesday. So it does look like a wet time frame for everywhere. Just scattered showers, though, but it's going to be raining nonetheless, and that is going to be Monday night, late Monday night, and Tuesday for that to occur. And then once we get finally to Wednesday, We have this system moving in from the west, which is another cold front, and that is going to move through in the afternoon, evening hours with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible with this next cold front. This cold front is going to lower temperatures behind it once again. Might have a more sustainable cool period behind this, where we get temperatures back down in the 60s for highs for a sustainable period of time. So this is going to be a very, very important cold front, and for those of you who are looking for a fall transition. Scattered showers and thunderstorms move through, and might even have something linger into Thursday. I doubt this here, but we'll check back in this as we get a little bit closer later in the week. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for September 20th, 2018. Have a great Thursday.